now, I mean, obviously they have some negotiating power already, with Jubilee really looking to see who is it going to be. So after that what that has happened, what is going to be the strategy after?
We know that campaigns, let me say campaigns proper, are as good as underway starting tomorrow at the primaries. Because there are those ones that are going to be the MPs in waiting from tomorrow in strongholds of ODM. You get the ticket, you are good as re-elected.
Yes.
Or you get a ticket, if you're a newcomer, you are good as elected. You go start preparing your acceptance speech, and therefore you'll be assigned for those ones that will clinch tickets, be it in Homa Bay, Kisumu, Siaya, even Western, depending whether it's ANC, ODM, or Ford Kenya. So long as it's a stronghold, you clinch that ticket, then you'll be assigned a national, perhaps a national assignment to campaign for the candidates, because elections will be done. The same case for Jubilee on 21st of April. If you're in Murang'a, if you are in Rift Valley, if you are many areas, the moment you get it that day, you are done. So you can only be given other responsibilities to help in the national campaign, because that is when the election will be won. Therefore, from now henceforth, the campaigns proper get under immediately these nominations end on 21st or 24th of April, because now it remains the presidential campaign for the coalitions or the parties, because Jubilee will now go to the election not as an alliance or a coalition, but as a party. NASA will go as a coalition. Then I'm sure there will be more. I know we have the Third Way Alliance, we have the Kinababu and Amamba Smart, although they've said is the president. We have the Philip Murgors. So from the primaries, the next level are campaigns proper. Remember that 3 months to the election, that is from 10th May, anything is possible. And